Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 27 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, the question is the three-dimensional space around the nucleus in an atom where the probability finding an electron is maximum is called, right? For example, if you take an atom, so this is an atom, it has nucleus, we know that, right? So around the nucleus, three-dimensional space is there. At that space we can find the electrons. The probability of finding an electron is maximum in that space. That space is called as orbital. We know that there are four orbitals are present. Those are S, P, D, F. Four orbitals are present. In this four orbitals, those orbitals have different shape, and those are all three-dimensional shapes. So at this space only we can find the more number of electrons. Generally that space is called as orbitals. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question. The probability of finding an electron in a given volume space is represented by, right? So just now we discussed the probability of more number of electrons present in a space is called orbital, right? So this space is represented by some curves or some plots. So the probability of finding an electron is given volume of space is represented by some plots. Those plots or those curves are called as radial probability distribution curves. So the correct option is second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, electron probability function. So in orbitals there is a space around the nucleus. That space is three-dimensional space. At that space we can find the maximum number of electrons, right, in the orbitals. So that electron probability, there is a function to represent the electron probability, that is D, right? That function represents with D. So D equal to 4 pi r square dr psi square, right? So here psi is the wave function. Psi equal to wave function. So this is the electron probability function, D equal to 4 pi r square dr psi square. So the correct option is second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the next question is the orbital in which the electron with quantum numbers dash are present called 1s orbital. So here the orbital is 1s orbital, right? We know that there are four quantum numbers are present. So each and every quantum number has its own importance. So here if you see the orbital 1s, so 1 represents the principal quantum number, that is small n. 1 represents the principal quantum number, that is small n. Generally the principal quantum number represents the number of shells which are present around the nucleus. If you see this orbital, right, this 1 indicates that atom contains only one shell, that represents the n, right? So here n equal to 1, and here s, right? So S represented by the orbital simple represented by azimuthal quantum number, that is L. So azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. So according to azimuthal quantum number, each and every orbital contain different numbers. For example, S orbital azimuthal quantum number is 0, P orbital azimuthal quantum number is 1, and D orbital azimuthal quantum number is 1, 2, and F orbital azimuthal quantum number is 3. Right? So according to this, the S value, that is L equal to 0. L equal to 0. So N equal to 1, N equal to 1, and L equal to 0. So the correct option is first option. N equal to 1 and L equal to 0. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the orbital in which the electrons have quantum numbers dash is called 2p orbital. So it is also same like previous question, 2p orbital. 2p orbital, right? So the 2 number indicates the principal quantum number, that is small n equal to 2, and here p is azimuthal quantum number L, right? Just now we discussed each and every orbital has a different azimuthal quantum numbers. So S orbital have quantum number L equal to 0, and p orbital's quantum number L equal to 1. So here L equal to 1. So n equal to 2 and L equal to 1. N equal to 2 and L equal to 1. So the correct option is third option. Clear? So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.